Not sure what this blue collar's attempting to do with damage on the side that I'm on.
So you know you have it on, so it's like, once someone starts talking, then there's like a delay when I actually start listening to what's being said. Kind of like, you remember at work, paging, right?
Right.
So I always repeat it.
Right.
Because the first one gets their attention, like, crap, that was my name, but I didn't repeat it or what I'm supposed to do.
Paging Mr. Herman. Mr. Herman, you have a telephone call at the front desk.
So you paid it twice.
That's fair. That makes sense.
And I think I was just doing a better job of it earlier. And maybe now I'm...
Well, I know every time I take my helmet off for a stop, it like... I move my microphone. That's why I was making sure you could at least still hear me just fine. And it wasn't anything like that.
Just me not being a student.
As long as I'm the only voice in your head right now.
Sure.
Downhill stop.
Yeah. We're going straight through though.
Yep.
Right?
So I will be kind of curious to the road that leads into Weston, will we not take that road then?
I think we can. We just don't turn on Main Street. We'll probably want to go. Well, no, that's because if we turn before that, you've got to cross Main Street. We'll have to. I should have looked at that map a little bit. How about we plan on that road that we come into that has the bunkhouse? Should we stop at the bunkhouse maybe and look at our map?
I'm not stopping at that bunkhouse. Nope.
Because it's gravel, right? What about that one little place, like on the way into town? It's like it's got ice cream.
There's a Subway. Oh.
Or Subway. That'd be easy to find, right?
Yeah, if we go past what we could do is if we go past where we would turn, go past the bunkhouse, the map should automatically reroute us to getting about where we need to go. We'll give that a shot.
Yeah, I mean, it'll be good because we got our centers on that, like, we're like, where are we going to stop and figure out how we attack downtown?
Yeah. Well, I don't plan on stopping. I'll just kind of...
Yeah, I mean, the nice thing is we're on bikes, and there is going to be no cars on Main Street.
Hey, I'm not a car.
We just have to avoid hitting people.
Yeah. I just can't believe they shut down the entire Main Street.
I mean, that's where the festival is. Like,
It's not like Irish Fest that's housed at the bar.
Yeah. Like the Chamber of Commerce puts it on, so they pretty much get to say.
All right. Enter Missouri and crappy roads ensued.
This is the county we were married in.
Watch white vehicle there. There it is, right there.
You know, it'll be interesting to kind of see what the assets of Apple feels like, because, you know, the one time I went, it seemed like it was more in beginning stages and it wasn't that much to write about.
Oh, yeah.
So I think it's, from what I've heard, it's gotten quite a bit more popular now.
Taking a left.
Well, we have Doug in his younger years, and we're not doing as much as the Irish Fest and the Apple Fest is something that we do as a family. And so people put up to maybe do something on the weekend.
Yeah. My bad on that turn. My bad on that turn. I wasn't paying attention to the to my phone, and then all of a sudden I looked down. It's like 0.1 mile, take a left. I'm like, oh, balls.
I was expecting it because I think our homes are up here on the right-hand side.
No.
No, wrong road.
You're turned around still.
Okay, all right. That's not surprising.
No, we're not coming in on that road, I don't think. I think we're coming in on the road that has the four-way stoplight.
Okay.
And if we stay on this road, the bunkhouse should be on the right.
Okay.
The state park should be over there on the left.
Okay.
Should be, I think.
Is this the one with that one scenic view I like on the left?
It should probably show up on your right, though, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I'm super sure now. Well, I got you.
Yay.
Hearing now.
Up here on the right should be the view you like.
Yes, you're right.
Watch out, he's creeping towards
Well, we want Weston. Yeah, it's definitely not quite as, with the sun not out. So I just love this area.
I know you do. Alright, so we're going to go straight through.
Okay.
And we're going to take this all the way to that subway, and then we'll take a left at that around that subway area.
Yeah. I don't even know what time we're at right now. Because isn't the way out to that school winery just straight ahead?
Yeah, it's about 1:10 right now.
I mean, we could go do that first.
This is actually taking us the back way in anyway, so.
Okay.
That's got gravel. Oh, it'd be fine.
Does it?
The driveway thing does, yeah.
No.
It'd be fine. That's scary. Free parking and shuttle.
Well, that was for Snow Creek.
I think it's from Snow Creek to the thing, though.
Okay. Yeah, if it's that big, it's definitely bigger than the last time I was there. What they've been doing it for like him for it doesn't seem like they've been doing it that long, but I feel like I saw something online or something that said 20 or 30 years or something.
Holy cow.
Yeah.
For apples.
Well, they call it Apple Fest, but the only thing I remember when we were there is I got some pumpkin, apple butter and some pumpkin butter.
I really do hope they have a spot for us to park.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have the spot for you. You can park, but
Well, the email did say that you may be required to show that you have reservations.
okay.
So if they've actually got a spot blocked off for the guests, I feel like if someone's actually policing it, that there should be a little bit of spot for us.
Yeah. And I feel like this is the reason a person would get a motorcycle, though, so they could dip in and out of where cars can't go.
Yeah.
Good Lord, I hate people.
Oh, honey. I wonder if it looks like maybe if they have like homecoming or something. There's like a lot of graffiti on the pool. It's about homecoming season.
Yeah. So they have these things at some bike nights called slow races.
Oh yeah.
And what you do is it's all about your low speed maneuverability. So you have to put your feet up, right, like we're doing right now.
Uh-huh.
And you want to take the longest time to get to the end of the parking lot without putting your feet down. So it's
So
like,
you want to take as much time as possible without putting your feet down.
right. So like right here, I'm
So
just
it's
going.
not a race. You're just
Yeah.
You're just trying to go as slow as you possibly can. That sounds like a lot of fun, actually.
Yeah. So we're not taking left on Thomas Street, which is in about a quarter mile up there still.
Okay.
So.
Left on Thomas.
Yeah.
Okay.
See, there was a smile at the end.
I did get a smile.
At the very end, she's giving you that look.
Like, what is this? What's happening here?
And then, oh, okay. Hey.
Well, they have handicap down there, but it's full.
We got some reserved parking down there off by the tobacco barn.
You have reserve parking?
Because we're staying at the St. George.
Okay.
You're okay if we just go on through?
Go on, yes.
All right, thanks, man.
See with you back on.
Yep, she's with me. I told him we have reserved parking.
I heard. He seems confused.
He's like, what?
They didn't tell me there would be questions when they told me to stand here and point.
Why do we always pick these weekends, babe?
It's October. We just can't help it. We were born during the most exciting time of the year.
You know. All right, so we can't get through to how GPS wants to go, so we'll have to take a right here.
Okay. Yeah, this is definitely a bigger scene than it was since the last Apple Fest I went to. It's kind of cool, though. I know how much you love people.
Oh, so much. Oh, now you're not go across the street. Okay, I see. I think if we go straight through here past this police department, just be wary. I'm sure there's going to be some sort of gravel thing happening. You know, technically, we could easily park anywhere. We'll keep that in mind if those spot's not there.
Yeah.
Watch, just follow my path. A little slippery there. Yep, we gotta go this way. Oh, clutch hand getting a workout.
This is good practice for my slow-speed maneuvering.
Yeah, my engine is getting hot. Fried pickles.
Taste the front
Whoops.
view.
Sorry, babe, I didn't know you were that close to me.
I was backing off. Sorry. I'm distracted by food.
I was too. I was like, who?
As per usual.
At least Main Street is actually closed. I feel better now.
You thought you were being fibbed to
Yeah.
or something?
How cool would it be to get a picture of the bikes in front of the old Weston thing there?
That'd be pretty sweet. We could probably accomplish that this morning, I would think.
I think so.
Are you taking a right?
Yep.
I smell fun. Okay.
Too.
Wouldn't be a bad picture in front of that Phillips 66 station either.
Yeah.
A Burley Hall. could even stop and smoke a cigar.
Yeah.
Like, we're bringing in your tobacco, so is that cool?
Rear brake, rear brake.
Oh yeah, my hand is not on the front brake at all. Well, no, it is, but I tell you, your gravel experience has taught me more than you probably even know.
Alright, let's just scroll in here, see if there's anything.
That says ignored parking or anything.
Oh, here's a spot. Let's just take this. Perfect.
Like, it had to be on the power to stay upright.
Ah, this is actually, this is better than I thought it was going to end up as. So,
What?
this is better than I thought we were going to end up as.
Yeah, no, but I thought we'd be in the gravel for sure.
You could just put your
Give a
clutch,
little-
just bring it out so you're in line with me. Just bring it back. Bring it
I would
back.
like to get closer to you, honestly.
Okay.
This person, if they're drunk,
Ugh.
I don't want them to knock over my bike.
Fair enough. Here, I'll get off mine so you can see how far I lean over. Okay.
Come on, get back in neutral, girl.
There you go.
Yeah, I don't worry about that.
There you go. Perfect.
I'm gonna put it in first, though. Since it's a bit of a...
Yep. Oh, and it's starting to rain.
Are you shitting me?
Huh?
Are you shitting me? No.
What do you think?
Ah,
What do you think this is? It's rain.
I see it now. I'm just saying. I thought we had just lucked out with it being the best weekend, weather-wise.
No. Say bye.